Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Instagram voice message option or voice message is not working on your iPhone and you are unable to send your voice messages from your Instagram Messenger. So guys, as you can see this, it is working for me here, and if it is not working for you, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, and from here you have to find your Instagram. So guys, here it is, and now you have to simply turn on the toggle for microphone for your Instagram from here. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply turn it on. And after this, check if the problem is fixed on your Instagram Messenger. So guys, turn it on and check if the problem is fixed for you, or if it is not fixed for you, then you have to simply go back, and from here you have to simply open the general section in your device. So guys, here it is, and now you have to simply scroll it below, and you have to find your iPhone storage from here. So guys, here it is, and now scroll it below, tap on Instagram and offload your Instagram from here for one time. So guys, simply offload it, and now you have to simply open your app store, and from here search for Instagram. Here it is. So guys, you have to simply get the latest version of Instagram on your device. So guys, install the latest Instagram and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing the same problem, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, simply press and release the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to simply get your microphone of your iPhone fixed. So guys, simply contact any mobile service center, and then you have to simply replace your microphone for your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.